carrying case with zippers halfway down on the side. It also has a handle on this side. And so the idea is you can carry it. That's actually really comfortable. And I could easily carry that by myself. This is kind of like a rollaway bed without, or a couch, a couch with a bed on it, but without the couch. It folds in half. It has a mattress and the frame. Very compact and easy to store. It has this thing that holds it shut. It just pops off. Okay, on the side, it has this part that goes underneath. You can clip that on. And on this side, that side doesn't have that, so that's easy. And so this piece, you just put it underneath and it clips on like that. We're gonna take out the mattress. And this is probably 2 inches. And the finished size is 30 inches by 71 inches. It's actually a custom size. Okay. This is just a piece of foam. I flatten it in my hand. So this is gonna be for a light person. Here are instructions. You don't really need them. It's so easy. I already did everything. Just need to press down the bed and flip it over. Put the mattress on it. Very easy to set up. That is very sturdy. I'll have to see how many pounds that holds. It's perfect for one person or a child. And actually, the mattress doesn't feel too bad because it's on the springs, not a solid surface. You don't feel like, to me, it feels medium firm. And it doesn't feel as thin. It doesn't feel as thin as I thought it would because it supports me really well. So it's a great option for something temporary or low cost or easy that you can store. If you need to move a lot, a college student, someone with a lower budget, this could be really helpful. Okay, this is just very springy and it's breathable. You can see through it. There's my hand. And so that's what really makes this better quality, because you have this kind of base and kind of lightweight metal. It has these non-slip parts. We're gonna unzip this and look inside to see the foam. Okay, so it's just one piece of foam. It feels more supportive than it looks, but you can also wash the cover because it comes completely off.
I didn't expect it to be as comfortable.
It's more comfortable than you think.
Yeah, it's pretty bouncy.
Okay, move around, like get on your side and everything and see how that feels. Can you feel support? Does it seem to support your shoulders and your hips when you're on your side?
Not